Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This company developed a speed bump filled with non-Newtonian fluid. If a car is moving at the appropriate speed limit, the car will travel right over it without very much disturbance. If a car is traveling too fast, the liquid hardens and becomes an obstacle. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like this was a very good idea because the company is now out of business.
Change from a soft to a solid state, according to the vehicle's speed.
Leave it.
This is what it looks like when you place liquid nitrogen into gasoline. The nitrogen moves around, kind of like a screensaver. This is a gulper eel, and they can make themselves look like really big balloons to scare away predators.
Wow.
Wow.
We really ticked him off.
Wow.
Defense.
What?
Are those like the gill archer? The gill?
Some kind of
What
Whoa.
is it?
It just got so big.
Incredible.
Wow.
Yep, he's doing the shake.
What's a
Oh my God.
Is that a gulper eel then?
I
Yes.
think so, yeah. That is crazy. Look
That
at that.
was awesome.
That was awesome.
These are juvenile African pompano fish, and they have really long fin filaments. As they get older, these long threads get smaller and smaller. This is what it looks like to paint using virtual reality. It allows you to paint in a three-dimensional space. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!